At Perennial, we know that for sectors like BFSI, retail, logistics, and pharmaceuticals, downtime is not an option. That's why our long-term rental division delivers reliable, ready-to-deploy infrastructure, from diesel generators and transformers to HVA systems and industrial chillers, customized to meet both business continuity and compliance needs.
I'm Pvt Ltd, heading long-term rental portfolio. The long-term rental model is a game changer for industries looking for rapid growth, cost-effective solutions. Instead of heavy capital investments, businesses now prefer flexible OpEx and asset-light model that allows them to scale without financial strain. At Perennial, we work closely with clients across the industries like banking, logistics, e-commerce, quick commerce, healthcare, and manufacturing, ensuring they have uninterrupted access to power to run their business smoothly. Our customer-first approach means we don't just sell services, we provide end-to-end energy solutions that drive business efficiency and growth.
Backed by a 24/7 support system, nationwide presence, and a rapid response team, we ensure seamless operations without the burden of capital expenditure. We also enhance site safety with CCTV surveillance and smart monitoring solutions, giving businesses full control over their power and security environments. With scalable models and integrated service packages, Perennial stands as your single source partner for uninterrupted infrastructure support.